Grabe yung magkwenta. Alam mo, nung umalis ako, iniwanan ko ng 200. Di ba may listahan tayo sa market? Iniwanan ko doon. Don't need rich kids. Di ba, ganun lang yun. Para mainis kayo.
Ako, kahit wala ako, pinapakita ko talaga sa amo ko babae na hindi dapat ako manghiram sa kanya. Siya ang nanghihiram sa akin.
Dapat ganun.
Kasi iisipin niya, wala to eh.
Hindi niya ka maisip mo. Sa bahay din. Ako bibili niya, no, listahan niya.
Sarili ko muna ng pera,
Bayaran mo ako.
i-pay me back later. Ibig sabihin, may pera ko. Hindi mo ako basta-basta maaral.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is PR 311 bound for Manila. Passengers bound for door storm. Third door storm.
Ako, everything smooth. Anong balita kanina pala? Okay.
Speaker.
Bongga ng amo ko sa text me ko mas. Kailan na ako. Friendship lang.
Please push your bags under the seat.
At ilagay mo yung bag mo
Bags under the seat, please.
sa baba. Ayan. Ayan.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa PR 311 patungong Manila.
Kailangan
Mabuhay!
natin magpuhot.
Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR 311 bound for Manila. Our pilot in command is Captain Jupe Sinjonko, and this is your flight purser, Gilo Dulio. Our estimated flight time is approximately an hour and 45 minutes.
3 kilo yan dito.
Oo, kasi 45 lang ako ngayon, 54 na ako. Kaya
Yeah. Paramdam mo yan. Yes. Kaya dapat i-maintain mo lang ganong kilo mo. Tapos huwag masyado lagi upo. Galaw-galaw after 30 minutes. Kung lagi
wala
kang
akong
upo
upo sa bahay eh.
kaya ganun.
Para akong sinangag. Kaya, marami na akong ipon na ugat. Marami akong ipon na ugat.
Same. Lahat naman pa, para paganda. Importante, buhay.
Importante
Sa ngalan ng dollar.
We will now be showing you the
Healthy.
safety features of this
Okay lang yung mga
aircraft.
breakfast
Please
normal.
watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together.
Dito
To
yung
tighten,
maganda yun.
pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist.
Tsaka yung oras natin is limited.
Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest.
Control
On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body.
Kung walang alarm.
Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist.
mo ate.
Push hand to buckle.
Walang alarm.
Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cord at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tube. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit.
Nihatid ka talaga.
Normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them.
Mabait naman siya, yung babae.
The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you.
Saan kaya
These
dito sa Hong
exits
Kong
may be
tayo?
behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and
Sa may
path
butterfly,
markings will
tagang
lead you
dagat,
to these
dagat.
exits during an evacuation.
Oo, nakapunta na ako doon.
For further information,
butterfly
please study
beach.
the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure
bago
your
pa lang ako
seatbelts are
dito,
securely fastened.
lagawan.
Seatbacks in upright
Kung saan ako
position.
nakakarating.
Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades open, and your tray tables and footrest
Forma lang,
stowed.
mag-aalas na ano na. oh.
Once again,
Dating
welcome on
sa
board
Hong Kong,
Philippine
binilaan ako.
Airlines.
Diyos ko.
Pagkain na natin so ito.
Papatayin ba? Reality talaga. Or flight mode lang. Flight mode lang.
Hindi, sayang baterya mo.
Lumayos pa ako.
Baterya mo talaga. Gusto ko ng water.
Same. Mamaya na mag-off. Revision lang ng panganay ko.
Truth. Yung observation mo ano.
Ano yun? Nag-flight yung ano.
Estos.
My Lord. Jacket tayo para ang ating mga rayoma.
Hirap ng binti ko. Ay, tuhod ko. As in yung buto.
Ito buto talaga. Magbinom ka ng mga collagen. Any collagen. Para mabuhay-buhay yung mga namatay na
Walang
collagen.
exercise 2021 pa itong walang exercise na hindi nakapag-push up. Push up talaga, te. Ito, wala. Sign of aging. Push up. Step lang ako eh. Hindi ko kaya yung mag-collagen. Medyo
Yoko speaking. Together we're here in the flight that just happened in Chanko, and we're delighted to welcome everyone on board this flight CR311. This is an Airbus A21 service bound for Manila. Receiving clear flight information will cover a distance of approximately 700 aeronautical miles and will cover that distance in approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. Later on, we'll climb to our assigned cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. Weather is fair, and we're estimating to land or arrive in Manila at around 1:20 in the morning. We care for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure. And please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. Also, please do not congregate in groups in any part of the aircraft cabin, especially around the lavatories. Later, as we approach Manila, Captain Santiago Chanco will update you with the latest arrival estimate and the weather in Manila. Once again, welcome on board this flight. Thank you for choosing to fly Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino Mabuhay.
Ito kanya kid iyaw mo dapat sa alam nyo, ganito kapag nag-on, halos hindi tayo nagkikitahan sa ngayon.
Medyo lang po.
Para ano may signing ano kayo code. Para sa ganoon, hindi kayo magkabulso kapag kayo nagsasalita. Hindi nga kayo nagkikitahan. Hindi, saan ka mo po? Yes. Unless hindi ka samtos kanina kasi nag-swimming yung mga bata. Sa ano, HIS. Ito. Simple lang siya, pinaglaro yung anak niya ng soccer. Lucio ay yung lalaki. Naku, talaga ng tulong. Ryan, okay ba? Totoo nga talaga yun. Magbida ka. Okay ba sa sila? Kasi ano siya, maliit na sila babae na iba sa video. Mataba. Sa personal ang wag lang ang oy, pero ano ba sabihin? May alam mo, minsan kapag ano sa bumababayat kapag yung natatapalan ng
Attention ground staff, doors will be closed shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, please make your assigned seats now and fasten your seatbelt.
Yung maligam-gamte.
Oh, may salt pa nga ako sa umaga eh. Kunting asin. Mix sa maligam-gam.
Gamitin mo yung Himalayan ako.
Himalayan. Narinig ko rin yan.
It's good for the body.
Maganda kasi yung Himalayan. So,
Yeah.
Nakakaganda din ba yun?
nakakaganda ng kutis.